Team Baxter.
I'll go running down. None of us are going to go faster than we need it. Like if you're driving your Yeti and air support,
No, but the beautiful thing about a full closed panel when you're going on incline, well that full panel on incline,
yeah, that's but like you actually want a little bit of sidewalk performance.
What do you think?
You might make it. The front end of mine is heavy. So I'm worried about that. Dig myself up.
It's cracking in here.
So Operation Slowdown was a pretty great success. It's hanging in here pretty well on the Sunday trail run. Not too many problems. The diffs are still a little loose. I need to tighten up the diff oil, see if I can go higher than 1 million or possibly lock it all together. Not too many other problems. I'm having a few problems with power consumption going up hills. It seems to lose a little bit of power, so I need to work on that a little bit. The tires actually worked a lot better than I thought they would. Those are the Falcon MT Wild Peaks. I can't complain about them too much. They're not the stickiest tread, but I felt like they performed pretty well. It climbs and crawls and everything. just having problems with the diffs right now, so I'm going to see if I can work on that, and also work with my gearing ratio to see if I can get that changed up a little bit, get a little bit more climbing power out of this thing. So Operation Slowdown is still a work in progress.
Good job, John.